The sweet sound of democratic nation. What is democracy? It is truth and wisdom, and it shall not be violated, because corruption in government is a stab at the health of human society. Democracy keeps no secrets, every crime is punished, and every virtue rewarded. It is an absolute balance of give and take. Liberty gives us a new sense of energy. It gives courage, so the wise will prevail. And the greatness of all will flourish, because the seed of love will generate and be fruitful to all, because wise men in company become contagious and readily multiply. They are men committed to their passions, never aimless or frivolous. A wise man is frank and blunt. He says what he thinks, never dealing with hypocrisy. A great nation is great because it practices democracy and justice. The splendor of this nation is only significant by the great individuals that are inspired with truth, harmony with all nations. These individuals are attractive citizens with a shining eloquence that makes them unique. And individuals' genius takes its place to orchestrate. And the sweet sound of democracy paves the way to a true and natural supremacy, to the society of the great. An awesome design will generate love for all and peace of mind. In their lifestyle, there's music and art, orchestrated and all fine-tuned, with a chorus that encompasses variety of talent where individual genius takes place to compose the sweet sound of democracy to a true and natural supremacy to the society of the great.